Today, we will show you how you can connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account. First, you need to check who the admin of your page is. So for that, you have to go to Facebook. Once you open Facebook, go to your menu. Here you can see the menu icon. Tap on the menu. After going into the menu, you have to check whether your page is selected. If it shows your personal profile here, then the process will not work. You must select your page first. You need to go to your page. So I am going to my page now. From here, we need to go back to the menu again. After entering the menu, we will go to Settings. In Settings, you will see an option called Search Settings. We will tap on this option. Here, we need to type Page Statuses. When we search for page statuses, we will see the option appear. We will tap on it. After that, if we scroll down a little, we will see an option called Manage Admins. We will tap on it. Here it shows you. What does that mean? It means I am the admin of this page. So there will be no issues. Now we will go back and move straight to Instagram. Let's find our Instagram app. Here is my Instagram app. So we are entering Instagram now. After coming to Instagram, you need to go to your profile. So we tapped on the profile icon below. Here you can see the option called Edit Profile. Tap on it. After this, scroll down a little and you will see the option called Page. Inside Page, you will find Connect to Create. Now we will tap on Continue. After pressing Continue, it is asking us to log into Facebook. So we tap on Log into Facebook and then press Continue. I encountered an error here somehow, but you won't get one. You can continue. If you face any problem understanding any step, let me know in the comments. I will reply. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more tips and tricks.